Have you ever felt like your goals are just out of reach? Like you're running in place but not getting anywhere? Today we're diving into a powerful technique that can transform your dreams into reality called visualization. Whether you're aiming for a promotion, a fitness goal, or maybe just a more fulfilling life, visualization can be your secret weapon. In this video, we'll explore what visualization is, how it works, and most importantly, how to use it effectively to achieve your biggest goals. In fact, I use this technique regularly on my Creative Engagement podcast in my encouragement sessions. I encourage participants just like you to visualize their ideas of success as thoroughly and directly as possible. Stay tuned at the end for a special invitation. What is visualization? Visualization is the practice of creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. It's more than just daydreaming. It's a deliberate and focused process. Think about engaging all your senses. What does it feel like, sound like, smell like, even taste like when you achieve your goal? This is more than just getting a glimpse of your ideas about success. Instead, think of inhabiting and walking around inside your vision of success. At least enough that you can learn the important lessons. Imagine that you're aiming to run a marathon. Don't just picture crossing the finish line. Visualize the crowd cheering, the feeling of your feet hitting the pavement, the taste of victory, and the sense of accomplishment. Studies show that your brain reacts to visualized experiences as if they were real, strengthening neural pathways and boosting motivation. How visualization works. Here we're talking about this fancy word neuroplasticity. Our brains are incredibly adaptable, and when we consistently visualize success, we reinforce neural connections associated with that outcome. By repeatedly picturing yourself succeeding, you build confidence and reduce fear of failure. Visualization forces you to define your goals clearly and specifically. You can't really visualize a vague goal. So let's talk about practical steps to effective visualization. Find a quiet space. Set aside a dedicated time for visualization. And find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be interrupted. Relax and breathe. Start by just taking a few deep breaths to relax your mind and your body. Create a vivid mental image. That is, paint a detailed picture of your desired outcome that engages all of your senses. Really focus on the process. Visualize the steps that you need to take to achieve your goal, not just only the end result. Reinforce your visualizations with positive affirmations. For example, I'm capable of achieving my goals. Consistency is really key. Visualize regularly, ideally daily. Even a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. Try writing it down. Journaling your visualizations can help reinforce them. For example, a day in the life from the perspective of your successful vision. A cautionary tale. Notice any negativity. As you're learning and practicing visualization, pay attention to any negativity that shows up. Remember when I said studies show that your brain reacts to visualized experiences as if they were real, strengthening neural pathways and boosting motivation. So you really want to avoid strengthening negative neural pathways and reinforcing negative ideas. One important way you can address this is by creating a negativity parking lot. If you find it difficult to get through a visualization session without negative thoughts or limiting beliefs, try setting aside a notebook, and anytime these thoughts arise, just jot them down. This can release your attention to focus on your success so that you can return to this parking lot at a later date to address any items. Tell yourself this is a judgment-free exercise, and don't allow your vision of success to arrive with a side order of negativity. Your success vision may introduce emotional states that are vulnerable, open or intense, and powerful. Essentially, you're imagining a state of being worthy of love. Be careful that your mind doesn't snap back with internal criticisms. What I find is that most people don't spend enough time in this space of visualization, and I think it is because of the vulnerable state it creates. This is why many folks feel unmoored or untethered when they achieve a level of success. They were too scared to envision what it might be like. So examples of visualization in action. Athletes. Many top athletes use visualization to enhance their performance. They picture themselves executing perfect techniques and even winning competitions. Successful entrepreneurs visualize their business thriving, their teams working harmoniously, and their goals being achieved. Visualization can be used also for personal growth, such as overcoming fears, improving relationships, and achieving that inner sense of peace. Try visualizing your goals for just 5 minutes a day for the next week and see the difference it makes. Share your visualization experiences in the comment section below. What goals are you working towards? Please consider watching my video about how I tried befriending my inner critic. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and how to set up your own visualization practice. Or subscribe to my YouTube channel because you'll discover your own version of satisfaction and success that is as unique as you are. If you have a project or a work in progress that is important to you, please consider joining me on my Creative Engagement podcast by participating in an encouragement session. You can apply and find out more at danielrmandel.com/encouragement. That's right, you're invited to participate in an encouragement session. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, your dreams are within reach. Start visualizing your success today.